Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. First, I will tell you I'm creating new playlist. Adobe Photoshop tutorial will be there. So if you don't find my any video, you can go to my playlist. From today, I will create. First, I will tell you in this video I brought new thing in this tutorial, two ways how to remove background of image. First, when your image background is only in one color, it's a very simple trick to use it. Your background will be removed just 2 minutes. And second trick is there when in your image many colors is used. So what kind of tricks is there? But many of the designers creating a lot of mistake, they can't remove properly. So I will tell you in this video. So let's go to our tutorial. Now we open Adobe Photoshop. First I will tell you this image. In this image we have you, if you confused these image where I will take or from which website I will download, you can go to Google, you will find a lot of image. First I will take this image. In this image their background color is only one. So I will tell you first tip. When your background color is only one, so what you have to do? First you unlock this layer, then come to magic eraser tool. When you select it, just click it. Your all background is removed. Then you see there are some areas are there where background can't be removed. Just you are press shift, click it, your background is removed. Okay. Then just don't do this. Just click it, your background is removed. So see, this is first step. And when you are don't like this, then it's available. Next I want to do Control Z, then come to here magic wand tool. This select all background but select some remaining areas. Also press shift. Okay, so your background is removed easily. But I have only I like one trick. When in your background one color is used or many of the color are used, I have only one trick I am using. After this trick I am telling you, then just press control, just delete key. So then our background is removed. Now I will take another pick. Their background is little bit different, and I am taking this one. Their background is different. When I select same tool, magic wand tool, see, you've seen these areas they didn't select because this tool didn't find same color here. When this tool finds same color, automatically this tool selected all the background. So now I will tell you uh, uh, the tool you have to select quick selection tool. This is very amazing tool. I recommend to everyone. When you are removing your background, you have to use this tool, quick selection tool. I select it, then select subject. Now they are selecting your subject. See, they are selecting complete your subject. If you see some many areas you don't like, you have to edit it. You have to do it like this, and the rest of all the areas are okay. Okay, and then just press the delete key. Sorry, first you have to do come to select. Here you have seen inverse it, then see select and mask. This one is for images corner, then okay, press delete. Okay, see, our background is removed. Yes viewers, hope you enjoyed my new tutorial. If you don't understand any point, you can put on your question on my comment box. Before I told you in this tutorial, you go to my playlist, then go watch my video, then give your response. How is it for you? And at last, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it and press notification button. Then you will receive my new tutorial early. So this is for today. See you next time. Bye bye.